Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GA4 UTM reporting workflow for affiliate marketers, complete guide step by step clearly. To install GA4 UTM reporting workflow for affiliate marketers, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Next, ensure you have the correct properties set up for GA4. Navigate to the admin panel, found at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the property column, select the GA4 property you wish to configure. Click on Data Streams and choose the appropriate data stream for your website. Scroll down to find the More Tagging Settings option and click on it. Select List Unwanted Referrals to exclude any unnecessary sources from your reporting. Next, proceed to the UTM Parameters settings. When creating or editing your UTM parameters, follow the 5 critical UTM tags: campaign source, campaign medium, campaign name, campaign term, and campaign content. For affiliate marketing, your campaign source should be the name of the affiliate network or partner. Set campaign medium to affiliate to categorize your traffic correctly. Campaign name should be descriptive of the promotion or affiliate product being marketed. For campaign term, you can include specific keywords related to the campaign, which helps in tracking. Campaign content can be used to differentiate between ads or links within the same campaign. Once your UTM parameters are established, generate your final URLs that include the UTM tags. Copy your UTM-enabled URL and share it with your affiliate partners for promotion. After the traffic starts coming in, return to your Google Analytics 4 dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section. Under Acquisition, examine the Traffic Acquisition report. Here, you can filter traffic by the UTM parameters you've set. Review the performance of different campaigns and sources. Utilize this data to optimize your future affiliate marketing efforts. Regularly check your GA4 reports to stay informed about which sources and campaigns drive the most valuable traffic. By adhering to this workflow, you'll effectively track your affiliate campaigns and improve your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.